Well, it's Tuesday and I'm back out on the Willoway docks. You can see another busy day in May. Let's take a walk through the dock. First up here, we're looking at some pieras. That one is Capsura with that beautiful red new growth on them. Nice looking plants here. They're done blooming, but that foliage gives you a lot of extra color. And wow, check out these 3-gallon blue stars. We got a gorgeous crop. You can see the nice consistent pull on these 5-gallon PJMs. Nice new growth coming out on them. Nice landscape grade. Out of these, here we have our Juniper Gray Owls. Nice heavy 3-gallon. We're looking at some nice, these are 2-gallon New Gen Freedom Boxwood. Big heavy twos, good value. See the trees there are coming in heavy on the dock. We still got a lot of great looking container trees. Here we're looking at more of the grasses. I believe that's Cheyenne Sky. Gracillus here, looking good. Here we're looking at some paniculatas. Here we have our crop of 3-gallon limelights. Vanilla strawberries are looking good. Diravilla, look at that color. And then that again is ginger wine physocarpus. Another blocker, look at those ginger wines. Those really stand out with that color. A lot of nice boxwood coming up on the dock. Here we're looking at some 3-gallon green velvets. That nice lush growth, looking good. If you're looking for something a little bigger, these are Winter Gem 5 gallons. Look at the size of that plant. And a lot of nice boxwood coming up here. We're looking again at those green velvets. You can see the nice consistent pull on the 3s. A lot of those 3-gallon nest spruce, that lush growth over there, good value. Then I'll back up there. You can see a nice consistent pull on these 3-gallon Mr. Bowling Ball. That was looking great. Here we're looking at wine and roses. You can see that great foliage with bud and bloom. Spirea continues to look great. We're looking at some holly here, looking good. Coming down to 2- and 3-gallon mops. Great color plant. This is a new arborvitae. Whip it good from Bloom Butter. Boxwood here, we have the New Gen Freedoms. Again, shaped up, trimmed, ready to go. It's coming in from the greenhouse. We have our Digitalis there. Again, spiked up, looking good. Plenty of ferns. You see nice color on our ferns. Vernera. Nice color plants here, guys. You know, we've seen these quite often on the dock. Our Cupra, fantastic. Nice, heavy, full plants, can full there. Great color. Be sure to get your Heuchera. More color there. We have Heuchera, Heucherilla, quarter lines. We have alocasia and colocasia coming in here. Nice looking ferns again. Ostrich ferns look good. Look at these alocasia and colocasia. Awesome. Looking at a nice consistent pull of those 5-gallon blue plants. Look at these beautiful plants. Here we have some of our big 25-gallon limelights. Gorgeous plants here. Nice caliper, heavy heads, looking good. These annuals coming in. You know, this was a big weekend with Mother's Day. Folks are stocking up. Here you're looking at the great color coming in. Lots of racks restocking those shelves, getting ready for more planting. We got some beautiful weather coming up. Don't miss out on your annuals. And a lot of racks of annuals coming in here. We're looking at flats. You know, these are begonias, but we have several varieties. Be sure to check that availability. 3-gallon Annabelles, you can see here, nice full plants. Foliage is nice and clean, looking good. Don't think you can go wrong on roses. We're looking at sunny, pink knockouts, double knockouts. All the roses are coming up, tipping with bud and bloom, looking good. Here we have our 7-gallon Miss Kim lilacs here. You can see they're opening up. They still have some tight bud to them, but these are great sizes on these landscape plants. Beautiful 5-gallon Green Mountains here. Nice growth to them, looking good. Pallets just came in on 5-gallon dogwoods. We got plenty of arborvitae, several varieties here. We're looking at 15s, 5s, 7s. We got sizes and plants for every price point and job. Check these out. Here we have some 7-gallon. These are Viridis, the green weeper. Look at that gorgeous full head. Our Jap maples are flushing. They're looking good. Extremely good value. They catch these Deutzia Yuki cherry blossom. You know, Deutzias are still blooming right now. Bud and bloom. They're looking good. Great spring color. Spirea is a great landscape color plant. Here we're looking at double play doozy. You see that nice color on the foliage. Look at the buds starting to set there. Double play doozy. Looking at some more Annabelle type hydrangea. This is Invincible Spirit too. Nice full plants here, clean foliage. This is the pink color flower. If you're looking for that, we've got them. Again, we got a great selection of potted trees coming up to the dock here, so be sure to check out that availability. We have 7s, 15s, 25s, 45s, all price points for all job sites. Here we're looking at some Syringa Bloomerang dark purple tree form. You know, they just finished their set of blooms, but you know, these are continually bloomed throughout the season. Several pallets of these 15-gallon arborvitaes are coming in. These are green giants, full speed ahead. We got it. Be sure to check that arborvitaes. Here we're looking at blueberries. You know, blueberries, small fruits in general, have been hot. You can see the little berries starting to form on them. We still got some left. Boy, don't wait on this opportunity. Again, you can't go wrong with roses. I mean, look at these gorgeous plants, heavily budded, shaped nicely, bud and bloom colors here. Can't go wrong with the roses. They're looking good. People are going to be out looking for color. This is your plant. Check out our selection of roses. Several varieties of macrophylla are up, looking good, budded, and ready to go. I mean, look at the buds and blooms on these macs. Great selection in both the Endless Summer and the Proven Winter selections. All bud and bloom, ready to go. Got some wagons coming up here. We're looking at Provoskia, Blue Jean Baby, the plants that work for them. Gorgeous. Perennials coming up. We're looking at Echinacea, that's Powell White. Looking at some Buddleia. Look at the peonies, bud and bloom. We have both the standard peonies and the Etho peonies. They're looking fantastic. And then the guys are loading them up, and then they come back to backfill that dock. Man, look at all these great looking plants coming in. Got some oak leaf hydrangea, and this is a newer one from Bloom and Easy. This is called Toy Soldier. Gorgeous, clean foliage here. Starting to bud up, looking good. Several varieties of lupines coming up here, showing some great color. Here we're looking at Amsonia. Look at the color on that. Coming down here, you can see there's this Veronica Royal Candles. Look at all the buds on top here, guys. For oak leaves here, we're looking at our 3-gallon Alice. Again, nice clean foliage here, and you're starting to see buds coming up on top. Looking good. Here we have some Buddleia coming up here. This one happens to be Pugster Blue, but we also have other colors available, so Buddleia is coming out of a nice trim cycle there, filling out, looking good. More plants coming up to the dock. Get a little bit closer look here on those 3-gallon Ramnus vines. More wagons coming up. They're just bringing wagons up, getting ready to reload here for another round of shipping on the dock. So here we're looking at some Asta Patriot. Nice full plants here. These are looking good, guys. In this wagon here, we're looking at some in substance. Again, several varieties of these bigger hostas. Then we got another crop coming up. So we pushed through one and we're getting ready to bring on another one. So, you know, be sure to check those pictures out, because some of them are these really nice big heavy ones, and some of them are just nice handfuls. This fresh crop here of Lavender Sensational. This is a really popular one. This beautiful, these are garnet, great gumball coming up here. Nice heavy full plants. And then this is Rudbeckia, Little Susan. Look at the color on the Sedum Wildfire. And then again, Sedum Angelina. Wow, look at that burst of color there. And the guys are just bringing in some more roses here. We're looking at drift roses. Look at all the buds. I mean, these are fantastic plants. You can see several varieties here on the carts. They're just bringing them in, getting ready to set them up to tag and load on trucks. But holy smokes, look at the buds on these drift roses. Out in the nursery here, I wanted to show you this crop. This is Coreopsis Big Bang, yellow and red. You can see nice, big, heavy, full plants loaded with buds. Here's another one to watch out for. This is Coreopsis Red Elf. You can see they're nice, big, heavy, full plants. They're just starting to set bud, and this will give you some nice, great summer color. Quick walk through the dock. You can see the guys are busy getting carts loaded up here, getting ready to load trucks. Be sure to go with the sales team. Geez, I hope we're loading a truck for you.